guys, it's Jen. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. I am. I got this PAPERGANG box, my subscription box for PAPERGANG stationery club, stationery subscription box. There we go. And I am in love with this box so far. It's got like butterflies and ladybugs and hearts and lots of stars and gold foil. So I'm very excited about this one. I'm actually canceling PAPERGANG for now. Next month will be my last month because where we're very soon going to be listing our house for sale, I may be moving in the next few months. And it takes like a month and a half for this to get to me. Well, not quite a month and a half, but somewhere in there. It takes a long time to get to me, like a month, from the UK. So, and Canada Post doesn't reroute parcels. They only reroute letter mail, even though you pay them $50 to do so. But anyway, they don't reroute parcels. So I don't want to risk it that one will get sent back or lost in the mail or whatever. So I'm just going to cancel. And next month will be my last one. And then, yeah, start up again after I move. So without further ado. Oh my God, it's baby pink. And there's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. Olivia Burton, Night Garden. Beautiful. Just scan to discover the full Night Garden collection. Ooh. All right. How pretty is this? A little bit of paper. I like this baby pink. Ooh, what do we have? What is this? That's like a, okay, hang on. It's got something to do with this. PAPERGANG, Olivia Burton. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check the instructions. Or what it is, pen pot. Foldable pen pot with pink chevron design. Oh, okay, okay. So like this, and then it's got the little bottom. Okay, oh, and this must be like dividers. There we go. Oh my God, how adorable is that? That is so cute. So cute. So it's a little pen box. That's cute. Oh, I love the cards. Oh, so pretty. Nice, beautiful card. Oh, there's stickers. Look at these stickers. Oh my God, the bumblebee and the, oh, love these stickers. I think there's 4 sheets. Yep, 4 sheets of stickers. Ooh, beautiful notepad. Beautiful, beautiful notepad. So pretty. And pencils. You are a wonder. Release your sparkle. Let your dreams bloom. Those are very pretty. I like the gold on the ends of them. And last but not least, a little drawstring pouch. Oh, they're straws. Oh my God. They're straws. Look at these little straws. Those are adorable. And they're in a little pouch so you can carry them in your purse. You know what? I might actually put these in my purse. That's a good idea. And I used to carry a set of chopsticks in my purse too. And I think maybe I can put a pair in here. Yeah. Well, I really love this this month's set. It's very different than the ones that I've been getting, that they've been putting out. Yeah, I love the butterflies and the space, and so pretty. Very pretty. And the greeting card. And the little box. That's very cute. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this month's box. Very pretty. Great, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll get notifications when I post a new video. Great, thanks for watching.